Hello YouTubers, today's video is I'm going to be replacing my battery powered under the cabinet light pods with a 12 volt under cabinet light system. What I did is replace these battery powered lights, which they have 3 AAA batteries that just didn't seem to hold up on it. And by replacing these with regular 12 volt lights, it gives me not only more light, but I don't have to change batteries any longer. Now what I had done is I measured back 6 inches from the front towards the center of the underneath the bottom of the cabinet, and I went from 6 inches from the edge over, marked it, tapped a little small hole, approximately about no bigger than 1/4 of an inch, ran my 12 volt line up from my lights, tied a knot so it didn't slip through, and then went ahead and I snapped my power line in half right here, if you can see that. Use my quick clips. I don't know, I'll have a link to these in the comment section, but this is something I use a lot for my 12 volt connections. Snip that in half, strip the wire down, and I did it both on the positive and the negative, so you can see I got one on each one there, and inserted the plug side on one end, my power side on the other, and then I put my line to the light in the empty hole, and I did that on both of them. And then all I had to do yet was just, I kind of tied them together a little bit here, tied them down. I got just a piece of clear tape over it, and then what I do is I put my clothes right over the top. On the bottom, you can see right where my wires went through. They come with clips. I just used the double tape that was included, and I just made sure it's the same distance from the left to the right, or from the side to the edge of the light on both ends, and went ahead and stuck it up there, and that seems to hold it real well. The light, very bright. I did have the battery powered ones, and those just didn't work very well. So end result is new 12 volt lights where I don't have to change the batteries. It's much brighter. It actually lights up the whole side of the room, including, you know, the pathway from the nightstand end or the end of the cabinet all the way over to the door that leads to the outside and the bathroom. I hope this installation of the 12 volt under cabinet light helps you in one of your future projects. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And most of all, thanks for watching.